What up? It's your boy King Dow 225 coming at you with another reactionary video. So hit that like, subscribe, become part of the kingdom. Boy, it's been a minute since I did an Attack of the Ratchets video. And ain't nothing more traumatic than seeing drunk fucking wildebeest rampaging in a natural habitat. And all this over $1.75. They wildin'. 3 women destroy a NYC restaurant after getting charged $1.75 for extra sauce. Let's get to the video. I bet your daddies is so proud for you to behave in this manner. Shame your family and your motherfucking kids. I keep telling y'all, bro, ain't nothing more dangerous than a drunk bitch. They can get you in trouble. They can get you put in jail. She can lie on you. She don't remember. You're like, oh, this is like, nah, this is embarrassing. This is ridiculous. They done got all these drunk helpers' names, and they're gonna go to jail. They're gonna be shamed and embarrassed. You know, like, all the men in the background just watching and making a video. Man, it's one thing as a black man that all black men know. It is best to let a black woman rage, cause you get wrapped up in it, and your ass might be found with handcuffs around your wrists just by trying to stop it, cause she might attack you. Here's your boy King Dow with another reactionary video, another attack of the ratchets. So hit that like and subscribe, become part of the kingdom. People always like to say women are innocent, they damsels in distress, they always the victim. But I recognize this kind of behavior.